Hello students, this is Smriti from Unix Publication and I am back with a new chapter from your book Maths Master. And your chapter name is number 51 to 100. Like in the previous chapter, you have learned numbers from 20 to 50. So from 51 onwards to 100. Okay? So जैसा कि नाम से ही क्लियर है आपको कि अब आपको नंबर्स 51 टू 100 तक पढ़ने हैं. अभी तक आपने जो पढ़ा था वो 20 टू 50 पढ़ा था. ओके, सो अब इस चैप्टर में हम 51 टू 100 नंबर्स तक काउंटिंग देखेंगे. ओके, सो लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड टू आवर चैप्टर. ओके, वार्म अप. Let's do some warm up while doing a fun activity. Color the picture given below with the help of the given clues. Okay? So you have to color the picture that the clues given below. Okay? तो यहाँ पे जो जो नंबर लिखे हैं वो कलर आपको इस पिक्चर में फिल करना है. Like 27 नंबर जो है वहां पर आपको लाइट ग्रीन फिल करना है. Here you have to fill light green. Okay. Let me show you how. Like this area you have to fill light green. Okay, next 31 you have to fill brown. So in 31, where is the number 31? Yes, this is the number 31. So here you have to fill brown. Next 24 you have to fill gray. In 24 you have to fill the color gray. Sorry, I didn't have that color here. Let's see, where is 24? Yes, this is 24. So you have to fill the color gray. Next 39, yellow. In 39 you have to fill color yellow. So this is the sun rays and here you have to fill the color yellow. Okay, then number 42. In 42 you have to fill orange. In 42 you have to fill the color orange. Okay, next 48, sky blue. 48 you have to fill sky blue. Where is this? Is 48 and you have to fill here sky blue. Next 50, dark green. Which color? Dark green. So where is the number 50? Yes, this is the number 50. Next 22, red color. So 22 color red, this one. Next 45, pink. Where is the color 45? This color you have to fill pink. Okay, now purple in 36. Okay, so you have to fill the color purple in 36 in this. Okay, so let's move to our chapter number 51 to 60. As you can see that we are going to learn numbers from 51 to 60, same as we have studied earlier, that a one bundle of a pencil in which we have 10 pencils, it will, one bundle of pencil is equal to 1/10. Okay, as you have known that. Then 5/10, 1 ones is equal to 51. FIFTYONE1. Next 5/10, 2 ones is equal to 52 and the spelling of 52 is FIFTYTWO. Next 5/10, 3 ones is 53 and the spelling of 53 is FIFTYTHREE. Next 5/10, 4 ones 54, FIFTYFOUR4. 5/10, 5 ones 55, FIFTYFIVE 55. Next 5/10, 6 ones 56, FIFTY50 SIX6. Next 5/10, 7 ones 57, FIFTY SEVEN 7. Next 5/10, 8 ones 58, FIFTY 50 EIGST 8. Next 5 tens, 9 ones, 59 FIFTY 50 NINE 9. Next 6 tens plus 0 ones is equal to 60. So here there should be a one more bundle of pencil, and sorry for this mistake, there should be 0 and it is 60. So 6 tens, 0 ones is equal to 60. Next, numbers 61 to 70. These are the numbers from 51 to 60. Now we are going to learn numbers 61 to 70. Same as when we count 6 bundle of pencils, like 6 tens and 0 ones, then it will become 60. Like that, 6 tens, 1 ones is equal to 61. And the spelling of 61 is SIXTYONE1. Okay. Next, 6 tens, 2 ones, 62. SIXTY 60 TWO2. Next, 6 tens, 3 ones, 63. SIXTY 60 THREE 63. Next, 6 tens, 4 ones, 64. SIXTY 60 FOUR4. Then after 6 tens, 5 ones becomes 65, and the spelling of 65 is SIXTY 60 FIVE5. Next, 6 tens, 6 ones becomes 66, and the spelling of 66 is SIXTY 60 SIX6. 6 tens, 7 ones is equal to 67, and the spelling of 67 is SIXTY 60 SEVEN7. Next, 6 tens, 8 ones is 68, and the spelling of 68 is SIXTY 60 EIGST 8. Okay. Then 6 tens, 9 ones is equal to 69, and the spelling of 69 is SIXTY 60 NINE9. Then 7 tens and 0 ones, sorry for the mistake, and 0 ones is equal to 70. 7 tens and 0 ones is equal to 70, and the spelling of 70 is SEVENTY 70. Okay. So the number names of these numbers, you have to recite it again and again till you learn these spellings. Okay, till you learn these spellings, you have to learn them so that you can write when or speak these spellings when someone asks you that what is the spelling of 62. So if you remember this spelling or this name, then you will tell them. Okay, so for that you have to read it and remember it for this. So let's see numbers from 71 to 80. So as earlier we have seen that 7 tens plus 0 ones is equal to 70, same as 7 tens plus 1 1 is equal to 71, and the spelling of 71 is SEVENTY 70ONE1. Same as 7 tens, 2 ones is equal to 72, and the spelling of 72 is SEVENTY 70 TWO2. Same as 7 tens, 3 ones become 73, and the spelling of 73 is SEVENTY 70 THREE3. Same as 7 tens, 4 ones, 74, SEVENTY 70 FOUR4. 7 tens, 5 ones is 75. Okay, so children, 7 tens means 70 plus 5 ones means 5, and this will become 75. This will become 75. So what we call this format? This is expanded form. This is expanded form. Next, 7 tens, 6 ones, 76, SEVENTY 70 SIX6. Next, 7 tens, 7 ones becomes 77, and the spelling of 77 is SEVENTY, SEVEN, 77. Next, 7 tens, 8 ones is 78. SEVENTY, 70, EIGHT, 8. Next, 7 tens, 9 ones is 79. Okay, and the spelling of 79 is SEVENTY, 70, NINE, 9. Then 7 tens, 10 ones, 8 tens, and 0 ones is equal to 8 tens and 0 ones is equal to 80. 8 tens and 0 ones is equal to 80. Next, number 81 to 90. So 8 tens and 1 ones is 81, and the spelling of 81 is EIGHTYONE, 781. Okay. Next, 8 tens, 2 ones, 82. Then 8 tens, 3 ones is 83. 8 tens, 4 ones become 84. 8 tens, 5 ones become 85. 8 tens, 6 1 become 86. 8 tens, 7 ones become 87. 8 tens, 8 ones become 88. 8 tens, 9 ones become 89. And 9 tens plus 0 ones become 90. This is here. There should be a one or more bundle of pencil. Then it will become 9 tens and 0 ones. So 9 tens, 0 ones become 90, and the spelling of 90 is NINETY. So moving forward to our next numbers, number 91 to 100. Okay. So 9 tens, 1 ones become 91, and the spelling of 91 is NINETY, 1. Next, 9 tens, 2 ones, 92, NINETY, 90, TWO2, and it will become 92. Next, 9 tens, 3 ones become 93, and the spelling of 93 is NINETY, 90, THREE, 93. Then 9 tens and 4 ones become 94, and the spelling of 94 is NINETY, 90, FOUR, 4. 9 tens, 5 ones become 95, and the spelling of 95 is NINETY, 90, FIVE, 5. Then after 9 tens, 7 1 becomes 97, and the spelling of 97 is NINETY, 90, SEVEN, 7. Then 9 tens, 8 1 become 98, and the spelling of 98 is NINETY, EIGHT, 8. After that, 9 tens, 9 ones become 99, and the spelling of 99 is 9, NINETY, 9. And then the last number that we have, 10 tens and 0 ones become 100. 10 tens and 0 ones become 100. And the spelling of 100 is HUNDRED. Okay. So I have said to you that you have to learn these number names, so that whenever someone asks you, or you have to write in your exam or in your copy, you can write it correctly. Okay. So let us rehearse for our better understanding. Complete the table in the given pattern by filling the missing numbers. Okay. So you have to complete this table by filling the given numbers. Okay. So 51, after that 53, then 55, then 57, then what we write after 57? Yes, 60, then 63, then 65, after that 67, then after 70, and after that 73. Okay. Next, after 100, what comes? 90. After 90, it's 80. 80, then 70, then what we write here? 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, and 10. Okay. Next, write the number. Here are the name of the numbers given, and you have to write them in their numeral form. Okay. So what is given here? 25. So the numeral form of 25 is 2, 5. Then it is 48. Then the numeral form is 48. Then it is 65. Numeral form is 6, 5, 65. Then after 90, and the numeral form is 90, 90. Okay. Moving forward, write the number name. So here the numeral forms are written and you have to write their names. Okay. So what number is written here? 61. So the spelling of 61 is SIXTY, 60 ONE 1. Then the number given here is 75, and the spelling of 75 is SEVENTY, 70 FIVE, 75. Then number written here is 88. Okay. So the spelling of 88 is EIGHTY, EIGHT, 88. Okay. Next number given here is 96, and the spelling of 96 is NINETY, 90 and SIX. This is 96. Then what number is written here? 100. And what it will become? Yes, it will become 100, and the spelling of 100 is HUNDRED. This is 100. Okay. Expanded form. Okay. So as we have studied earlier in the previous chapter, that what is expanded form and what is the standard form. So we have know that what is expanded form. When we write numbers like 60 plus 5 is equal to 65, or 30 plus 2 is equal to 32, then this is, which form is this? Yes, this is expanded form. This is expanded form. Okay. And when we write numbers, like if we convert it in the words like 6 tens plus 5 ones is equal to 65, then it is called standard form. Okay. So when we write, as you can see in this picture, there is abacus given, and in the abacus, in the ones spike, you can see that 6 beads is given. Okay. So this is 6 ones, and in the tens spike 4 beads are given, then it is 4 tens. Okay. So when we write in form like 4 tens plus 6 ones is equal to 46, like this. When we write like this in the word form, like how we say and write is the same, is called the standard form. Like 4 tens and 6 ones is equal to 46. This is called standard form. And when we write 40 plus 6 is equal to 46, then it is expanded form. Like 40 plus 6 is equal to 46, then this is expanded form. What is? This is expanded form, and this form is standard form. Okay. So moving forward. Okay. So moving forward. Okay children, as we know that when the number is written, like I have written 96, तो जब हमने 96 को लिखा, ओके, तो जो नंबर लेफ्ट में आता है हमारे, ओके, द नंबर दैट कम्स इन आवर लेफ्ट दैट शोज टेंस, यानी जो नंबर हमारे लेफ्ट में आता है वो क्या शो करता है, टेंस, और जो नंबर हमारे राइट में आता है वो क्या शो करता है, वंस। वो क्या शो करेगा, वंस, यानी सिंगल डिजिट, यानी 1। लाइक 90 प्लस 6, 90 प्लस 6 क्या होगा, 96, एंड इफ वी राइट 9 प्लस 6 देन इट विल बिकम 15। जैसा कि हमने एडिशन में पढ़ा था, अगर हम 90 प्लस 6 नहीं लिखते हैं तो ये 96 नहीं बनेगा, और अगर हम 9 प्लस 6 लिख देंगे तो फिर ऐड करने पर वो नंबर 15 हो जाएगा, और जो कि हमें वो करेक्ट फॉर्म नहीं दे रहा है जो नंबर हमने यहाँ लिखा है। तो जो भी हमारे लेफ्ट में जो भी डिजिट आएगी वो हमेशा टेंस को रिप्रेजेंट करेगी, और जो डिजिट राइट में आएगी वो हमेशा वंस को रिप्रेजेंट करेगी। ओके, नेक्स्ट लेट्स सी एन एग्जांपल। राइट द नंबर शोन इन ईच अबैकस इन 2 ways, वन हैज बीन डन फॉर यू। यानी जो भी दिया हुआ है यहाँ पर अबैकस में आप देख रहे हैं, यहाँ पे वंस और टेंस स्पाइक में कुछ बीट्स दी हुई है, तो हमें उन्हें दोनों फॉर्म में लिखना है। दोनों फॉर्म कौन से, स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म एंड एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म। ओके, तो एक यहाँ पर करा हुआ है आपके लिए, जैसे कि यहाँ पर दिया हुआ कितने बीट्स हैं, वंस में कितने बीट्स हैं, और हमेशा जब भी हम वंस और टेंस कैलकुलेट करेंगे सो हम किस तरफ जाएंगे, राइट टू लेफ्ट जाएंगे। किस तरफ, राइट टू लेफ्ट, कभी भी लेफ्ट टू राइट नहीं कैलकुलेट करेंगे। ओके, सेम यहाँ सबसे पहले यहाँ कितना कैलकुलेट करना है हमें, कितनी बीट्स है, 1 2 3 4 5 6, कितनी बीट्स है, 6। सो व्हाट इज रिटन हियर, 6। देन इन द टेंस स्पाइक हाउ मेनी बीट्स आर देयर, यस 1 2 3 4 5, 5 बीट्स आर देयर, सो व्हाट इज रिटन हियर, 5। सो this expanded form is 50 plus 6 is equal to 56. As I have told you that the number comes on the left represent tens and the number comes on right represent ones. Okay, so in left they written 5, so it will become tens. So 50 plus 6 is equal to 56. So let's see the second question. So first, how many beads in the ones spike? Let's count 1 2 3 4 5. Then what we'll write here, 5. Then let's count the beads in the tens spike. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. How many beads, 7 beads. Then what is the expanded form of this, yes 70 plus 5 is equal to 75. Okay, so let's move forward. Fill in the blanks and complete the table. What we'll have to do, fill in the blanks and complete the table. There are some blanks given here, and what you have to do, that you have to fill the numbers. Okay, the number that is given in the numeral form, you have to break it in the expanded form and the standard form. Okay, so if 57 is given here, okay, let's move to 34. Okay, so how many tens in 34, yes 3 tens in 34 and 4 ones in 34. Then the expanded form is 30 plus 4, same as in 57. How many tens, 5 tens in 57 and 7 ones in 57, and the expanded form is 50 plus 7. Okay, so let's move forward to our next topic, that is ordering numbers, ascending and descending order. Okay, so as you know, we have studied in the previous chapter that the ascending means smallest to greatest and the descending means greatest to smallest. Okay, like increasing order means a small number to greater number, and decreasing order means greater number to smaller number. Same here. Okay, going down is descending and going up is ascending. Like you are going up and step by step. Okay, like first you step the first ladder, then second, then third, then fourth, then 5. So this is how. So this is ascending order and this is descending order. Okay, so moving forward, arrange the given numbers in increasing order. So we are going to arrange these numbers in the increasing order. Increasing means smallest to lowest. Very good. So in these number, which is the lowest number? Yes, 5. So 5 is the smallest. Then after, what is 12? After that 27, then 45, 59, 67, 72, 87, 95. So this order is called increasing order. Like 5 is the smallest number and 95 is the greatest number. Same as arrange the given numbers in the decreasing order. So the largest number is 99 between them. So we write 99, after that 84, then 62, 55, 46, 33, 24, 15 and 4. So 4 is the smallest number. So how we came? Largest to smallest. And in increasing order, what we'll do? Smallest to largest. Okay, so let's move to our next topic, forming 2-digit number using the given digit when the digits are not repeated. अब क्या है, हमें 2 डिजिट नंबर फॉर्म करना है जो भी नंबर हमें दिए हैं उससे, और इसमें पहली कंडीशन यह है कि जो भी डिजिट हमें दिया हुआ है वो रिपीट ना हो. ओके, सो जैसे आपको 2 नंबर दिए हुए हैं, जैसे आप मानिए 2 and 4. ओके, कौन सा नंबर दिया हुआ है? 2 and 4. सो अब आपको इससे नंबर्स बनाने हैं. ओके, तो इसमें क्या है कि रिपीटिशन अलाउड नहीं है. जो नंबर एक बार बनेगा वही ही बनेगा. यानी आप जो नंबर 2 है उसे 2 बार आप नहीं लिख सकते, 4 है उसे 2 बार नहीं लिख सकते, सिर्फ एक ही बार एक नंबर लिया जाएगा. तो 2 4 से क्या बना? 24 and 42. यानी पहले हम जो स्मॉलर नंबर है उसे लेंगे, यानी इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में अगर लिखेंगे तो स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर बनेगा, और अगर डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में लिखेंगे तो ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर बनेगा. द स्मॉलेस्ट 2-digit नंबर कैन बी फाउंड बाय अरेंजिंग द डिजिट्स इन इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर. यानी अब हम वही जो इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में अगर हम नंबर को लगाएंगे, यानी स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर पहले एंड द ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर बाद में, तो हमें स्मॉलेस्ट डिजिट मिलेगी. एंड द ग्रेटेस्ट 2-digit नंबर कैन बी फाउंड बाय अरेंजिंग द डिजिट्स इन द डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर. और अगर हम नंबर को डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में लगाएं तो हमें ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर मिलेगा. लाइक 4 को हमने पहले लिखा, 4 बड़ा है 2 से और 2 छोटा है, तो हमें क्या मिला? 42 ग्रेटेस्ट है एंड 24 क्या है? स्मॉलेस्ट है. सेम है. Thus the digit 3 and 1, the smallest 2-digit number formed is 13 and the greatest 2-digit number formed is 31. ओके, तो यहाँ पर जैसे कि 3 और 1 दिया गया है, तो जब हमने इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में लिखा तो 1 पहले आ गया, 3 बाद में, तो ये क्या हो गया? 13. सेम है. ग्रेटेस्ट 2-digit नंबर में हमने क्या किया? 3 को पहले कर दिया, 1 बाद में, तो ये हो गया 31. तो यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? डिजिट्स रिपीट नहीं हुई, बिना रिपीटेशन के हमने यहाँ डिजिट्स लिख दी हैं. सेम है. मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, व्हेन द डिजिट्स कैन बी रिपीटेड. और अब जब डिजिट्स रिपीट हो सकती हैं. Numbers formed using the digit 3 and 1 when the digits can be repeated are 11, 30, 31 and 33. Okay? So वहाँ डिजिट्स रिपीट नहीं हो रही थी, यहाँ आप डिजिट रिपीट कर सकते हैं. तो आपको जो नंबर 3 और 1 दिया गया था, रिपीट करके हमने उसे क्या बनाया? 11. ठीक है. फिर एक नंबर बना 13, 1 3 13. देन दूसरा नंबर बना 3 1 31 एंड देन 3 को जब हमने रिपीट किया तो ये हो गया 33. Okay, same as the smallest of these numbers form is obtained by repeating the smaller digit, that is 11, and the greatest of the numbers formed is obtained by the repetition. The greatest digit is 33. Okay, रिपीटेशन के बाद जो सबसे छोटा नंबर है वो है 11 और जो सबसे बड़ा नंबर है वो है 33. ओके, तो सबसे बड़ा नंबर वो क्या हो गया? 33. सबसे छोटा नंबर 11. ठीक है. जब हमें डिजिट्स का रेपिटेशन अलाउड हो, और जब रिपीट नहीं कर रहे थे तो हमें 2 डिजिट ही दी थी, तो उससे हमारा सिर्फ 2 ही नंबर बना था, दैट इज 13 एंड 31. और जब रिपीटेशन अलाउड हो गया हमें, तो उससे हमें 4 नंबर्स मिले, दैट इज 11, 13, 31 एंड 33. ओके, सो लेट्स मूव टू एक्सरसाइज राइट इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. ओके, राइट इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. तो हम क्या करेंगे, हमें असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में लिखना है. यहाँ पर नंबर्स बहुत सारे हैं, तो हम इसे इजी करने के लिए जो जो नंबर हम लिखते जाएंगे उसे हम यहाँ इस बॉक्स से कट करते चले जाएंगे. ओके, तो सबसे छोटा नंबर 16, तो यहाँ क्या करेंगे, 16 कट कर दिया हमने. देन 22 कट कर दिया हमने. आफ्टर दैट 35, तो यहाँ 35 लिखा और कट कर दिया हमने. देन क्या आया, 46 लिखा हमने, फिर यहाँ कट कर दिया. उसके बाद सॉरी फॉर दैट, यहाँ पर 22 के बाद आएगा 29. ओके, आफ्टर 22 इट्स 29, देन 35, देन 46. ओके, and after 46 which number is given, 51, then 52, after that 56, then 51, 52, 56, and after 56 it's 63, then 75, 78, 63, 75, 78, then 89, and a number that is left in between is 58. You have to write 58 here. Okay, after that, moving forward, what we'll do in ascending order, we'll write the smallest number. Then the smallest number is 6, we'll write here 6. After that 12, we'll write here 12. Then after 12, which number is given here, smallest, 28, we'll write 28. Then after 28, which number is given here, yes, 45, we'll cut 45. Then 51, 55, 56, then 63, then which number after 63, yes, 71, then after 77, after that 81, 94 and 99. Okay, so let's move forward. Write in descending order. Same here, we have to write it in descending order. And in descending order, which number we'll write first? Yes, we'll write the greatest number, and the greatest number here is 98. So we'll write first 98. Okay, then after 98, which number is greater? Yes, 84. We'll write here 84. Then no, it's 87. Which number is greater here? 87. So we'll write here 87. Then 84. Then after 84, which number we'll write? 69. We'll write 69. Then 65. After that 64. And then after 64, which number we'll write? 44. We'll write 44. Then 38. After that 35. Then 35, 27. 35, 27. 22, 20, and then 90. Then after, same here in the same box, which number is greater? It's 98. Then we'll write 98. Then 94. Okay, 98, 94. Then 88. Then after 88, which number is greater? 68. No, 85. Then 68. Then after 68, it's 52. Then after 48, 52, 48, and after 48 which number is greater? After 48 we'll write 46, then 34, then 30, then 28, and then 16, and then 12. So in this the 98 is the greater number and this 12 is the smallest number, and this is the descending order, means decreasing order from greatest to smallest. Then write all the 2-digit number that can be formed using the following digit. Repetition is not allowed. आपको यहाँ पर 2-digit नंबर लिखना है, यहाँ पे जो नंबर दिए हैं उनसे बनाने हैं और रिपीटेशन अलाउड नहीं है. सो सबसे पहले जो स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर उसे हम पहले लिखेंगे, फिर ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर बाद में. तो ये क्या हो गया 79. अब इसी में ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर पहले, स्मॉलेस्ट बाद में 97. सेम हियर 49 and 94. After that, write all the 2-digit number that can be formed using the following digits. The digit can be repeated, means the digit can be repeated. So the smallest number is 66, then 68, then after 86, then 88. Same here, 2 digits are given, then we will write 55, then 57, 77 and 75. So this is how we solve the question and then move forward, and this is our workout. Okay, write the number in words. जो भी नंबर हमें न्यूमरल फॉर्म में दिए हैं उन्हें हमें वर्ड्स में लिखना है. तो ये क्या लिखा हुआ है 87, and the spelling of 87 is EIGHTYATSEVEN, 87. Next, the number written here is 65. So SIXTYFIVE, 65. Same here, the number written here is 52, FIFTY, 50, and TWO, 2. After that, what number is written here? 91, and the spelling of 91 is NINETYONE, 1. Okay, fill the missing numbers. So the number written here is, we have to write it in their expanded form. So the number written here is 86. So 80 plus 6. Same here, 63 is written here, then we will write here 60 plus 3. Next, write the number shown on the abacus in all the ways. Okay, तो जो abacus में आपको नंबर दिख रहा है उन्हें हमें सारे फॉर्म्स में लिखना है. ओके, तो abacus में वंस वाली स्पाइक में कितने बीड्स हैं? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 बीड्स हैं, यहाँ लिखे 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. कितने हो गए? 9. तो यहाँ क्या हो गया? 9 10s and 6 1. सो स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म क्या होगा इसका? यस, 9 10s and 6 1s. ओके, सेम हियर. वर्ड फॉर्म क्या होगा इसका? यस, दोनों डिजिट कंबाइन होके क्या बना रहे हैं? नंबर 96. तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? NINETY 90 और SIX 6. सेम हियर, इसका एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म क्या होगा? 90 प्लस 6, एंड टेंस कितने हैं इसमें? 9, और वंस कितने हैं? 6. ओके, सो मूविंग टू आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. कंपेयर greater than, smaller than, or equal to. Okay, so 86 is greater than 68 or smaller than 68? Yes, 86 is greater than 68. Same here. 12 plus 5 is equal to, yes, 17, and 18 minus 1 is equal to 17. So 17 is equal to 17. Same here. 8 tenths means what? 8 tenths means, yes, sorry, 7 tenths means 70, and 8 tenths means 80. So which is greater? Yes, 7 tenths is smaller than 8 tenths. Same here. 20 minus 2 is 18 and 12 plus 6 is 18. So this is equal. So they both are equal. Okay. Moving forward, write the numbers in decreasing order. So as you can see, this is a fish, and on the fish there are some numbers written here. We have to write them in a decreasing order. Decreasing order means largest to smallest. Okay. So the largest number is 98 and the smallest number is 88. Then after 77, sorry. After that 65. Then after 53. Then after that 49. Then 44, and the most smallest number is on the fish is 28. So the greater number is 98 and the smallest number is 28. Let's move forward. Take the correct option. How many tens are 70? So how many tens are there in 70? Yes, there are 7 tens. Very good. Which is the correct name of 75? Okay, so we'll answer what is the correct number name of 75. That is SEVENTY 70, FIVE 5. So the option C is correct. The biggest number among 58, 68, 38 and 88 is, yes, 88 is the biggest number. Okay, the greatest 2-digit number. Okay, so I'll tell you, the smallest 2-digit number is, smallest 2-digit is 10, and the greatest, largest or biggest is 99. So the greatest 2-digit number is 99. So the option C is correct. And move forward. Mental maths. Okay, this is mental maths. I have 3 digits, 6, 3 and 8. Using these, form as many 2-digit number as you can. Okay, तो आपके पास 3 डिजिट दे दी गई हैं, 6, 3 और 8. इससे आप जितने नंबर 2 डिजिट नंबर बना सकते हो आपको बनाने हैं. तो सबसे पहले 68 एक हमको करके दिया हुआ है. नेक्स्ट हम क्या देखेंगे, 6, 3 को कंबाइन कर देंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा 63. फिर 6, 6 को कर देंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा 66. देन आफ्टर 3, 6, 36. देन 3, 3, 33. ओके, आफ्टर दैट 3, 8, 38. ओके, देन 8, 3, 83. 8, 8, 88 and 8, 8, 88 and 8, 6, 86. Okay, so these are the possible digits that we can form, numbers that we can form the digits 6, 3 and 8. Which is the largest number? In this, which is the largest number? Yes, the largest number is 88 and the smallest number is, yes, 33. So 33 is the smallest number and 88 is the greatest number. So moving forward, this is Olympiad teaser. So students, those who are preparing for Olympiad, this can be helpful for you. Okay, a number on the given abacus is, so let's count the numbers. So on the one spike, how many beads? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 beads means 4 ones. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tens. So what is the correct answer? Yes, C is the correct option. 6 tens and 4 ones. Dipanshu has 43 chocolates. He buys 9 more chocolates. How many chocolates does he have altogether? Okay. So दीपांशु के पास 43 चॉकलेट्स थी, उसने 9 और खरीद ली. ओके, 43 थी, 9 और ले ली, तो अब उसके पास कितनी हो गई? 43 हम क्या करेंगे, 43 प्लस 9, सो ही हैव 52 chocolates. Okay, moving forward, which of the following number is not on the blackboard? Okay, so यहाँ आपको कुछ नंबर्स दिए हुए हैं और यहाँ कुछ ऑप्शंस हैं, तो इनमें से कौन सा नंबर जो है वो ब्लैक बोर्ड पे नहीं लिखा है? तो 44 लिखा हुआ है, 95 लिखा हुआ है, 52 39 लिखा हुआ है. सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज C, 52. What comes before 58 but after 56? क्या है जो 58 से पहले और 56 के बाद आता है? Yes, it is 57. अब 56 के बाद में क्या आएगा और 58 से पहले क्या आएगा? तो वो क्या है, 57. Okay. So moving forward, Shreya bought 12 cupcakes on Monday, 10 cupcakes on Tuesday and 34 cupcakes on Wednesday. How many cupcakes did she buy all together? श्रेया ने मंडे को 12 कपकेक्स लिए, 10 कपकेक्स उसने ट्यूसडे को लिए और 34 कपकेक्स उसने कब लिए, वेंसडे को लिए. तो टोटल उसने कितने कपकेक्स खरीदे? यस, सो वी हैव टू फाइंड इट. तो कितना हो गया, 56 cupcakes all together. So the option C is correct. Find the value of P and Q respectively. Okay, find the value of P and Q respectively. So what is the value of P? What number we will add in 3 so it will become 4? So we will add 1 and 1 plus 2 becomes 3. So what is the correct answer? Yes, A is the correct answer. Okay. So students, I hope you all understand this chapter, and let's meet. This is for the day, and let's meet in the next chapter. Till then, bye.